Have you ever wondered what an $8 million property looks like in Las Vegas, Nevada? Well, today's your lucky day. I'm about to host a Broker's Open, but first, I want to show you 3 things that I love about this property. Come check it out. With over 9,500 square feet, this modern masterpiece is truly something spectacular. But while the sun is setting, I want to take you into a different direction, which is subterranean. There is a 6-car garage, and we're going to get there via elevator. Come check it out. This is the elevator. Come on in. So what a cool feature to have an elevator in a 3-story home, right? So here we are. We're gonna go out to the 6-car subterranean garage. And as a mother, I can appreciate this. If I've got kids and groceries and all the things, I don't want to walk up 4 flights of stairs. I would like to take the elevator. And as every man in America would like to say, there's so much room for activities. Going up. From the elevator, I just made it to the 3rd floor of this stunning home. And like any good woman wants to see out there in the world, don't worry, ladies. I don't have time to show you the whole house, but I am not gonna skimp out on this closet. Come check this thing out. So stop number 1, roll out of bed and grab yourself an espresso. Come on, but that's not where it ends. Then mosey into your bathroom and have a steam shower. Lovely, absolutely lovely. But here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Here is the creme de la creme. The walk-in closet that everybody deserves. Not only is it massive, not only does it have stackable washer and dryer. Any guesses on what this appliance is? Nope. It's not a fridge. It is your own dry cleaning appliance. So you can go ahead and save yourself a lot of money by dry cleaning your own clothes. This one even comes with a pant crease care system. I just thought that was so nifty. So I've shown you the stackable washer and dryer inside the closet. I've shown you the dry cleaning appliance. I've got something else that I want to show you. This one is pretty special. Robert, make sure you're getting the size of the closet, but like every expensive house deserves, yep, there's a hidden room. There's a hidden room for your safe, your jewelry, what have you. Call it a panic room, what have you. I'm not gonna call it a panic room. I'm gonna call it a mommy room. Mom? For all the moms out there, there's no more hiding in the toilet room. No child needs to know that this room even exists. You need a minute, you go into the hidden room. And last, but surely not least, the creme de la creme. This home is located on Dragon Ridge Golf Course on the 7th hole, which I've been told is one of the most difficult ones. And the panoramic views are something truly incredible. Now we're on the 3rd floor, and so you're gonna see beautiful custom homes in the distance. This also has a beautiful view of the lagoon. And if you listen closely, you can hear the waterfalls. Check out this scenery. And because the view is so spectacular, I couldn't just show you it from the 3rd floor. You had to see it for yourself on the 2nd floor, overlooking the infinity pool. Okay, I know that I said I was only gonna show you 3 things, but there's just so much to see. So as I'm stepping out of the 250 bottle temperature controlled wine room, let's show you the kitchen. Now, personally, I don't cook. I don't know much, but it's still a pretty kitchen. You should come check it out. And guess what it has? 3, count them, 3 dishwashers. And because there's no way to actually show you every square inch of this gorgeous 9,500 square foot home, my name is Falisha Rexford. I'm a realtor, real estate investor, Air Force veteran. I would love to give you a personal tour of this property. My information is below, and I hope you had a great time. Bye.